Edo North Senatorial District not dey left out for the efforts by Edo State Government to deliver on their mega agenda and finishing well as them go deliver on all road construction projects wey presently dey ongoing for the Edo North Senatorial District. Some projects dey completed while other projects dey ongoing and dey advanced stage of completion. Some of the road projects na Sabogida Ora Afuze Road 0.45 km, Ahigbe Street Afuze 0.327 km, all for Owa East and Owa West and don dey completed and ready for use. Others such as Secretariat to Gbogbo Road 0.25 km for Akoko Edo local government area don also dey completed and ready for use. Other projects wey dey ongoing include Sabogida Ora Sobe Road 22.93 km for Owa West local government area wey get 12 km of asphalt completed. Agbede Awen Road 29 km for Esako West local government area wey get over 22 km of asphalt wey dem don do so far. And Ihiran Oke Ikakumo Road 12.825 km for Akoko Edo local government area with 5 km of asphalt done already.
As you can see, we are at our asphalt level at Mechanic Site Road, which is about 2.3 km road, length of road. And as you can see, we've already done our earthwork, our sub-base to about 1.3 km. And as you can see, we are just about 3 weeks plus road there. And as you can see, we are already at our finishing level, about to asphalt about 1 kilo. So it's going to be like form of a session. So once we are done with this 1 kilo part, then we'll go to the other stage to complete the other 1.20 kilo.
Residents for the area come here and say belle sweet them for the road construction project and come talk say
work is fine, beautiful. It was not like this before, and the place look well. We are pleading for government to come and help us in this place. But we are happy now that we are doing it. The work is going well.
Get many patronage
every day because of the roads.
Feel about this road
of Edo State. No more dogs. In fact, we are happy. We thank him very well. And we pray to God to give him the strength to continue. And we also want to appeal to him that this road should be done down to Ibianafe side, not only this place. We thank him, we thank him, we thank him.
Thank the state government for helping us out. If not for them, we don't think that we'll be able to convey our goods from this place to another state. And the transportation is now a bit easier compared to before now. The price of carrying our goods from here to another state is now cheaper because of the roads. We want to thank the state government for their work.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk them. We know they take blame. From Edo North Senatorial District, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.